In this problem, we are giving too simply formula P of z between minus 1.81 and 199. All right. So in the previous videos, we talk about the P. The P is technically asking about the area under the graph. All right. Now, every time they use the Z, it means you are in a standard mode. Standard normal distribution. All right, and you notice here they give you the table. All right, you could use the table, but I think it's way easier to use the calculator for this example. Now, what the question is, they are telling you if the z is between minus 1.81, which means, right, this is my normal distribution, so this is minus 1.81 over here. The 0 is always in the middle, and the 199, it should be somewhere here, 1.99. all right, and your z is somewhere in between. So this is the z value. So do you notice they give you always the z value, they don't give you the area, so you are supposed to construct the area. So the area will go up vertically with the two ends, and then follow the graph. All right, you are looking for the area and limited by the graph and limited by those two vertical axes of the z's, right, this one and this one. So again, we are looking therefore for this area in between, all right, the yellow area. Okay, so remember the total area under the graph is 1, so this area is smaller than the total area, which is smaller than 1, right? So the number that you're going to end up here is always smaller than 1. What the calculator is going to require from you is, let's go to the application, right? So in order to get access to distribution, I need to go to second and then vars, that's to access the distribution menu. And once I'm in distribution menu, I'm going to use the second one, which is a normal CDF, normal commutative distribution function. So I enter. So he's always asking about the lower, upper, the mean, and sigma. Now the lower, it will be this end here, all right, that's the lower end. The upper, that's going to be the upper end here, all right, so that's 2. Now he's asking always about the mean because we are in a standard mode, so the mean is going to be 0, this right here, and the sigma is always 1. Again, this is the standard mode. And how do you know? You know it with the z notation. Okay, so now whatever left is just to plug in all the numbers in the calculator. Let's see, negative, you have to use this minus sign for negative, minus 1.81. all right, next one for the upper, 1.99. the following one, mean is 0 and sigma is 1, is fine, so we paste it, we enter, and we end up with the answer is going to be 0.94155. all right, I think you have to round this 5, so your 4 decimal places, so you're going to be 0.9416. okay, all right, let's go and plug it in. So 0.9416. Check it, and it's good.